How will you scale all this data on a single platform?
So one of the great strengths about building on Polkadot is that the scalability issue is really like, to some extent, we feel pretty well solved. And we expect that our ability to so in Polkadot, you've got this shared relay chain, right? And each time somebody's so the sharding, as I understand it, listen, I'm not like the biggest expert in the world, and I'll be the first to admit there's much I still need to learn. But as I understand it, like the great analogy for me is like, we don't have to, like, if you're building houses, like we don't have to lay the foundation every single time, right? The foundation is already laid in a sense by the shared relay chains sharing the security, and every time a parachain comes onto it, your scalability actually increases rather than decreases by having more weight, if you will, on chain. So scalability is really something that is going to be a great strength of us building on Polkadot. And again, just harkening back to my talk about why we chose it, we felt that the level of throughput necessary for a data infrastructure and data marketplace was only possible through, in fact, Polkadot in a cost-effective manner. Their recent estimates for throughput on Polkadot is 100,000 TPS when they're fully formed and in flight. So we expect to be able to piggyback off of that innovation.